Please click on the subscriber button and press the bell icon for latest technology videos.
Friends, welcome on our A3 Experts channel, and today we are going to learn about the useState. In ES6 and functional component ES6 having a major role using for the holding values and on runtime. So we are continuing our old example in that we learn about the props. So I'm removing all my old code. Okay. Now we have simple MPT view in that we will create a counter function for like a in our variable we will on plus button click we will increase our value, and on minus button we will decrease our value, or same value we will display on text component. So I'm just creating three component here. Button, here I'm giving title, plus, here is minus, and third is text component. In text component I'm writing value is text. We can see here is three component, and I'm just aligning my all item in center, justifying on center and align item in center. So my all components are showing in center. So just I will create a one use state. Then first thing is how we create a use state object. So just write down const bracket. Here is two thing, one is setter, one is getter. Then this is getter and this is setter, and I write down counter and set counter, and here is use state. I am initializing my state using the default value is 0. You can if I will not assign 0, then my counter will return always undefined. So I have initial counter is 0. So just I'm passing this value here, and we can see 0 is appearing here. Okay, so now I need to assign two on press methods on my buttons, and one plus will be increase my value and minus will be decrease my value. So I am giving on press here. Now I will call my set counter state and will use my previous value from the counter and will increase always 1. You can see I have just write down on press method, or inside the method I have updated my state value using the plus 1. So this is set method set counter is my existing value and plus 1. So this is giving plus always on plus. So now I will create a same another method. Set counter, my existing value is counter minus 1. Okay, just I'm aligning my whole code. Okay, now we can see this code is showing in 3 lines here and 1 line is here, and my use state is working fine. We can see this is setter method, and counter is my current value, and minus 1 is always uh, modifying my value, and this counter will always reflect when is set counter will be change any value, and getter will be always reflect where is we assign on our component. That is simple use state example. We can always increase this using like we can assign here a string array component and listing object, all thing we can assign in our use state, and use it whenever will be our use state will be change value, then our getter method will be also change, then we can use using this. So this is a simple use state example. In next video we will learn about the both props and state in our video. So thank you guys, please subscribe our channel, share our video, and like and comment. Okay, thank you.